Yo, what's up YouTube? Dope is Yola here. Hope you have a dope day. Welcome back to the Adventures of Yola. Today I'm in Hollywood at a costume store because we're looking for a cop outfit. We are currently today about to film the POV video, Running from the Cops. The store's crazy. Yes, legit, super awesome. All right. No, look, there it is. You ready? Here's our extra help to help us film. How you feeling today? Okay, what's that say? Not for sale on it? Why do you have a studded belt? What kind of dominatrix thing do they give you? What? What kind of cop are you?
Rolling.
Wait, you can see all that, huh?
Rolling.
Good?
Now we're rolling.
Okay. And I'm gonna go on the other side. Walk with me though so it doesn't lose connection. A fucking helicopter. Danger. Are you serious? A helicopter, bro?
Can you see my hands, Aaron?
Yep. Yeah.
Go. Go, I need you to get close. Go. Oh my God.
Danger.
Right now I'm gonna need you to come out by the pole and then just keep running.
Tell me you're ready, folks.
Go, go.
Is that open here? Do you know?
Yeah, door's open.
Danger.
Come here. Come here.
Danger.
Oh my God. Oh. Oh my God. So GoPro's lame, our SD card messed up, so we're gonna come back tomorrow, guys. We did the first intro scene, restart tomorrow. All right, what did we get done? We got the mall, escape, this, and I think that's it. Oh no, we got the ending.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, here we go, guys. Pool scene coming up. Gonna do some quick practice runs. Running out here. Let's get started.
Hey! Hey!
When we're underwater?
Okay. You ready?
We're gonna go straight down and still be holding on to me. I'm gonna push you away. Go. Go. Here, in the chest. I tried to do a backflip. Yeah. Oh, sh**.
Danger.
Hey!
All right, here we go. Got that, got that. Come back, run through John, hit the street. John's, hit the street. All right, next scene. What's up? Okay, guys, day two. Day two. Let's go. So I'm stupid, and I was trying to make it look real inside the car for the GoPro shot, and I just punched my dash so hard trying to get this shot, but it looks good. Hold these so I don't stab myself.
Please don't.
Fake fall. Number one. Go. Do it again.
No, actually that works. Take it back up like that.
I need one more. Set. Go. Ah, I hurt my knee, Shabbir. Yeah, yeah. Ah, I'm okay, but I hurt my knee. I really hurt it. Oh, I heard it pop right now. I'm okay. It's not broken or anything. I think I landed on that. I really did think I broke my leg for a second. It popped. You heard it pop?
Yeah, I heard the pop.
Seriously thought this fool's had to walk me to the hospital right now. I thought I broke my knee. It popped really loud. Now that means I am fat. Right back up the trail like to the car. Okay. Go for it. Perfect. Oh. 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 Holy sh**.
Danger.
Oh, yes. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Thank you. Go, 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 go. He's right behind me.
Oh.
No, he's right here. He's here.
That's a wrap.
13 hours, it's a wrap. My knee, done. It's done. Thank you, sir. Okay, guys, so 13 hours of filming. My knee hurts. It took 2 days. It cost about a rack to film that video. Overall, really fun, well worth it. And if you guys haven't seen it, go to the Dope as Yola channel. It's called Running from the Cops, POV with Yola. So guys, this is the first time I've done a behind the scenes. I really liked it. It was super fun, and there was really no smoking, no cussing, so we could show you everything. And yes, I really did hurt my knee. I iced it last night. I don't know how, but it popped, but I'll be okay. So once again, guys, thank you so much for watching the Adventures of Yola channel. I am gonna go to sleep. I'm tired. It's been a long day. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, I'm Dope as Yola. Have a dope day.